Now, you probably clicked on this video because you're wondering if you can actually make money from TikTok. The short answer is yes. The longer answer is that it is a lot more complicated than you think and depends on a few key factors. Now, before we get into all of that, I just want to say thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I ask that you please hit the subscribe button now. In case no one told you recently, you are doing amazing, and I am so proud of you. Really, you can do anything you set your mind to. Now let's get started. Now, there are many ways you can make money from TikTok. We're going to be talking about the two main ways first. Now, the first way is with paid sponsorships, and the second way you can make money through TikTok is with something I'm sure you are familiar with already, which is called the Creator Fund. Now, with sponsorships, you basically make an agreement with the company to feature their product or service in your video in exchange for either monetary gain or free product or service. What you earn depends on how many followers you have, what category your content falls into, and the amount of engagement your videos are currently getting. More views and higher engagement translates to higher paid sponsorships. To go about getting a sponsorship with a company, you can reach out to them directly or you can wait for them to reach out to you. I recommend reaching out to them because you know what they say, closed mouths don't get fed, or I don't know, something like that. If you're unsure on what companies to even reach out to, start brainstorming the companies you already love and go from there. Another way you could gain paid sponsorships is by joining an online directory such as Pearpop. Pearpop connects brands with creators. It looks like the most popular option when you consider the fact that people like Madonna, the Jonas Brothers, Shawn Mendes, and many other A-list celebrities are part of the Pearpop community. Even if you only have 100 followers, you can join their community and be open for brand deal opportunities. Of course, I recommend you do your own research, but I will leave their link down in the description just in case you're interested. While sponsorships with brands tend to pay more, there is real potential to earn money through the Creator Fund. Now, first, let's talk about how you go about joining the Creator Fund. Not just everyone can join. Your account has to meet certain criteria before you can apply, then you are either accepted or denied. To earn money directly from TikTok, you must be at least 18 years old, have 10,000 followers, and have earned 100,000 views from your videos in the past 30 days. After you meet all of the criteria, then you can apply. Once accepted, you can begin earning money. Now, I really don't want you to get discouraged here, but ad revenue from TikTok isn't all that great. According to recent reports, you can earn anywhere from 2 to 4 cents per 1,000 views. So let's just say you made a video that ended up getting 1 million views. You would probably only make $40. That sounds pretty disappointing, right? Well, don't give up hope yet. There is another way you can make money directly from TikTok, and that is in the form of gifts or donations from other users. Now think for a moment. Have you ever been watching someone's live stream on TikTok and noticed they are getting spammed with roses on the screen? Or maybe the person on live randomly gets digital sunglasses thrown on their face? Yeah, well, those are gifts sent from other users. Gifts are purchased with TikTok currency, coins, which can be purchased with real money. Now, this might get a little confusing, so just try to stick with me here. The gifts you receive can be converted over into diamonds, which you can then cash out into real money into your bank account. 1 diamond equals 2 coins. 100 coins equals 50 diamonds. 50 coins equals 25 diamonds. Each diamond is worth 5 cents. So if you have 100 diamonds, you can cash out for $5, right? Well, almost. TikTok also takes 50% of your gift earnings, so you will actually only cash out for $2.50. To give you an idea of how much that really is, you would need to receive 200 single rose gifts to earn $2.50. For reference, a rose is one of the cheapest gifts you can receive because it only costs 1 coin for the sender to send. Does that all make sense? Other than earnings from live videos, you have the ability to earn gifts off of your videos. Now, did you know that one of the most expensive gifts you could earn is the lion? It costs a whopping 29,999 coins for someone to send, and you will earn $374.98 after TikTok takes its cut. Now, that is a lot of money from a TikTok gift. Another way you can earn money from TikTok that I didn't mention is from affiliate marketing. This can be done from organic content you don't pay to promote or from content you pay to promote. For example, someone who is an affiliate marketer with Amazon will showcase products they recommend you also buy from Amazon. Now, since TikTok does not allow for affiliate links in videos, the content creator will direct you over to their profile page and tell you to click on the link in their bio. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, just let me know in the comments down below and I will make an entire video on the subject. So now that we know it is possible to make money from TikTok, the question is, do you want to? Even if you are insanely hot and or talented, the truth is that you need to be uploading content regularly that is generally all in the same niche. Experts say you should be uploading at least 3 TikToks per day if you want to grow your account. The more quality content you are uploading, the higher chances you get of landing on someone's For You page where they have the opportunity to like your video and follow for more. Just like most things in life, if you want to make serious money from TikTok, you need to treat it like a serious business. I want to take a moment with you to talk about one of the highest paid TikTok stars, Addison Rae, whose full name is Addison Rae Easterling. If you don't know who Addison Rae is, first of all, you have probably been living under a rock or you just aren't on TikTok that much. Addison Rae is now 21 years old and has 86.2 million followers at the time of recording this on March 1st, 2022. Since joining TikTok in the middle of 2019, less than a year after the app was created, she has accomplished a lot in her career. She has starred in 2 movies, including Netflix original He's All That in 2021 and the animated film Spy Cat in 2018. She has worked with major brands including American Eagle and even started her own makeup line, Item Beauty. The truth is, Addison Rae is a young, smart businesswoman who wants to be known for her acting skills and music. Yes, she makes music too. Also, unexpectedly, Kourtney Kardashian and Addison Rae have been close friends since early 2020. Their friendship began because Kourtney's son, Mason Disick, is a fan of Addison Rae's videos. The duo have been seen creating TikToks together, working out together, and dining out together. It is an unexpected but wholesome match if you ask me. Now, according to Forbes, Addison Rae brought in $5 million from TikTok in 2020 alone. But how did she get famous in the first place? Let's rewind. In 2019, Addison Rae was studying broadcast journalism at Louisiana State University when she began making TikToks for fun. Her content mainly consisted of performing dances, lip-syncing popular sounds, and content featuring her family like her mom and her dad. In October of 2019, the TikTok superstar hit 1 million followers, which was a lot back then. The next month, in November, Addison Rae decided to leave Louisiana State University and pursue content creation full-time. I personally think she is a great example of how far social media can really take you. And to be honest, I could probably make an entire hour-long video doing a deep dive into Addison Rae's financial success. So again, if that is something you would be interested in, please comment down below. Before we end this video, I want to tell you about a few out-of-the-box ways you can make money from TikTok that you maybe haven't thought of before. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, sell your own products on TikTok. The goal is to get your products in front of as many viewers as possible. If your target audience is Gen Z or millennials, then you are in luck, because those two generations make up the majority of people on the app and have a combined buying power of around $150 million in the United States alone. That's a lot. Some advice if you're looking to sell your own products on TikTok is to make your products as easy to purchase as possible. Having a functioning website ready to take orders, testing your website to make sure everything works as it should. Number 2, grow and sell TikTok accounts. Flipping social media accounts isn't anything new. People have been flipping Instagram accounts for a very long time. Really, you would have to create an account around a specific niche, then gain a significant amount of followers and ongoing engagement. Once you reach your target goal of followers and engagement, you can then start reaching out to brands or individuals you think might be interested in a profile in the niche you chose. Optionally, you can create your own website to advertise the social media accounts you have for sale. Number 3, manage other influencers. By managing other influencers, you are basically becoming the middleman between content creators and brands. You would be responsible for reaching out to brands, trying to land sponsorships, and managing the relationship between the brands and your influencers, almost like a broker. Most influencer managers get paid by taking a percentage from their influencers' earnings. My suggestion is to create a brand, build your website, and reach out to influencers in many different content categories to build your overall wealth. Depending on how successful you want to become, you can choose to hire other managers to work for you and build your own team. Well, there it is. I really hope you learned something from this video on how you can make money from TikTok. And if you did learn something and want to continue making money online while learning about finance and investing, I ask that you do yourself a favor and please subscribe to this channel. Until next time.